Hey guys, welcome to the second video of opening the Brilliant Stars packs from the Kruidvat offer. The last time I opened 10 packs, which got me these 4 great cards that you can see in the previous video, and hopefully we can add a little bit more to that. And of course, I'm also looking forward to adding more cards to my collection. So without further ado, don't forget to like and subscribe, and press on the bell to get a notification every time I get a new video. And let's open some new Brilliant Stars packs. So let's open the next set of 10 packs, starting with the first one. And in the background you see the pulls of the first 10 packs, and hopefully we can get a lot more than that. Still looking for Charizard, but then again, who isn't? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's say Water Energy. It's fire. 1. Fire Energy, Lucio, Pot, Helmet, Sigalith, the Den, Cupchew, Duskull, Farfetch'd, Execute, a Reverse Molsary, and the last one, a Hollow Empoleon. Let's put this on focus. That one looks pretty nice. So no first pack magic, but maybe a second pack. Some second pack magic. So guys, let me know down in the comments what you thought about the first 10 packs, and especially what kind of other videos you would like to see. And if you haven't seen the first 10 pack video, you can check it out here or there. You know, everything is always confusing. Another V-Star card, so hopefully I did the card trick right. Yes. Cleansing Gloves, Dusclops, Beartick, Impidimp, Golett, Castform, Chimchar, Baltoy, Marnie Sprite Reverse, and hopefully this is a good card. Honchkrow V. There we go, the first V card of the day. And it's not a card that I have yet, so we'll take that. We'll put this right to the side, like so. And then we put it in the background, like so. And we can all see the nice cards we have pulled so far. So we had some second pack magic. So let's keep the momentum going and have third pack magic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say Psychic Energy. Nope. Fracture, Cafe Master, Gabite, Piplup, Turtwig, Sneasel, Clink, Spiritomb, Reverse Corphish. Let's go. And Escavalier. Not the card I was looking for, but it's a card that adds to completing the set, because I still don't have it. And as you know, I'm not just chasing the rare cards, I'm chasing the full set of Brilliant Stars. So we'll take what we'll get if it's new. Here we go. Fourth pack magic. 1, 2, 3, and another V-Star. So we'll put it like this. Here we go. V-Star. Beartick. Collapse Stadium, which is in Italy. Lucio, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Sneasel, Clink, Clang, Reverse Hollow, and the final card is, it's not the final card, oh it is, it's a Hollow Torterra, not a full art but still a rare card. I was hoping that it was a full art card, but you know, can't win them all. Charizard pack. Can we get Charizard in Charizard pack? And have some middle pack magic, maybe? Here we go. Pack number 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Leaf Energy. Nope. Roxanne's backup. Blunder Policy. Well, I think anyone could use one of those. Executor, Carablast, Buizel, Halucha, Throw, Magmar, Reverse Monferno, and oh, a Clefable. So no middle pack magic, not like last time. Pack number 6. A friend of mine also bought these packs. He bought a little bit more than I did. And I'm really jealous of his pulls. He pulled several Charizards. So, yeah, we can't all have his luck. 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy. Pod Helmet for all our pod heads. Sigilyph. Acerola's Premonition. Cubchoo. Shinx. Farfetch'd. Execute. Grimer. Oh, and a full art trainer. The single strike style Mustard. And if you know where I'm from, then you know that we like our mustard and mayonnaise. But I feel another card behind it. So do we have 2 full arts? No, we have a Wormadam. But we like this one. Even also trainer cards are nice to have. So we'll put this beautiful card in one of our foils. And then put it, oh, next to the other ones, because you don't want to damage them. There we go. Put them between the 2 Shaymins. Okay. And as you can see to the side of me, there is a counter that counts how many cards I have and how many cards there are still missing in the collection. And hopefully somewhere this year we can get 100% on everything. But you know, if you are a Pokemon card collector like I am, you know that's going to be a difficult thing to do, especially with the fluctuating prices. But you know, it's still really fun to do. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fighting Energy, because everybody wants Kung Fu fighting. Cafe Master. Vibrava, Monferno, Turtwig, Sneasel, Clink, Spiritomb, and the reverse, oh no, it's not the reverse, it's Axew. The reverse is a Gabite, and the final card is an Escavalier. So, not having that much luck with our packs, still 3 packs to go, so hopefully we can get some last packs magic. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Leaf Energy. Nope, that's not even working. Double Turbo Energy. Probopass. Prinlup. Nosepass. Snorunt. Clink. We have a lot of those Clinks in the dance. Cubchoo. Reverse Buizel. And a Hollow Dusknoir. Cool. At least it's a card that I still don't have. Pack number 9 or 19 out of the 20. Here we go. I'm getting a lot better in opening the packs, which I'm really happy about. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Psychic Energy. Pachirisu, if I'm pronouncing correctly. Choice Belt. Luxio. Chimcho. Chimchar. Mincino. Baltoy. Snorunt. reverse holo Chimcho, reverse Chimcho, and the final card is something that I dropped, an ESQ. So as you can see, the last time we had 4 full arts. This time we've only had 2, but we still have the last pack to hopefully get some magic, and hopefully we can get something good out of it, because I've had better openings. The Brilliant Stars one. This is going to be it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Metal Energy, Ultra Ball, Hitmontop, Magma Basin, Golett, Chimcho, Chimchar, Minccino, Baltoy, Reverse Impidimp, and a Haxorus. So, unfortunately, I wasn't that lucky this time, but as you can see, we still have some great cards out of our pools, out of our packs, and we added a lot of cards to our collection, so I'm really happy about that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to have more of this content. Don't forget to click on the bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks for following, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.